This dance is called Chasing Down a Good Time. It's a 48 count, full wall, intermediate level line dance with one step change and one restart. Starting on the right foot with some step lock steps. So you're going to step, lock, step, brush the left, repeat with the left, step, lock, step, brush the right. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, shuffle half a turn right, quarter, close, quarter. With that set of steps once more then, step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Forward, rock, a half shuffle. Some more step locks, left foot leading to start with. So it's a step, lock, step, brush the right forward, into a right step, lock, step, brush that left forward. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, turn a quarter left into a left chasse. Now that set of steps once more then, step locks off on the left. 7, 8, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Forward, rock, turn, chasse. Add those two sections together. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Forward, rock, a half shuffle. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Forward, rock, turn, chasse. Cross the left over the right, step the left to the side. Into a sailor step, you're going to be touching your heel forward at the end, behind, side, heel. Step the left back and repeat with the left foot leading. Cross the left over the right, right to the side, sailor step, touching the heel forward, behind, side, heel, step the left back. That set of steps once more then, cross side, sailor heel off on the right. 7, 8, cross, side, sailor, heel and cross, side, sailor, heel and. Add that to the top. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, forward, rock, a half shuffle. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, forward, rock, turn, chasse. Cross, side, sailor, heel and cross, side, sailor, heel and. Cross the right over the left. Turn a quarter right as you step back on that left. Shuffle half a turn over your right shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself half a turn to the right, shuffle forward on that left. That set of steps once more then. Cross, quarter, turn off on the right. 7, 8, cross, turn, a half shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Now you are actually doing the equivalent of 1 1/4 turns in that section. Should you need to try and take out the full turn element of that section, what you can actually do, you cross the right over, make that quarter turn to the right, stepping that left back the same as everybody else. This is where it changes. Instead of doing your half shuffle, just shuffle back on the right, and instead of that step pivot half, rock back on the left, recover, and then you can just add on your left shuffle. So it's non-turning steps should you need to take out that full turn in that section. Otherwise, let's add that to the top. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, forward, rock, a half shuffle. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, forward, rock, turn, chasse. Cross, side, sailor, heel and cross, side, sailor, heel and cross, turn, a half shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, on the and count you bring the right beside the left into some heel switches. So you touch your left heel forward, left beside right, right heel forward, right beside left. Rock forward on the left. As you recover your weight on the right, you're going to make a quarter turn to the left, step the left beside the right, into some more heel switches, right heel forward, right beside left, left heel forward, left beside right. That set of steps once more then, forward rock on the right. 7, 8, forward rock and heel and forward rock and heel and add that to the top. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, brush, forward, rock, a half shuffle. Step, lock, step, brush, forward, rock, turn chasse, cross, side, sailor, heel and cross, side, sailor, heel and cross, turn, a half shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward, rock and heel and forward, rock and heel and. Step forward on the right, finish yourself a quarter turn left. Into a little weave, crossing the right behind the left, left to the side, right behind, across the left. Into some toe switches. So you're going to touch your left toe to the side, step the left beside the right, step the right, touch the right toe to the side. As you bring your right back beside the left, you're going to make a quarter turn left, then touch your left heel forward. Hold and clap at the same time, and then bring that left back beside the right. That set of steps once more then. Step pivot up on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, behind, side, cross, toe and heel, clap and. End of the dance, when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, brush, forward, rock, a half shuffle. Step, lock, step, brush, forward, rock, turn chasse, cross, side, sailor, heel and cross, side, sailor, heel and cross, turn, half shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Forward, rock and heel and forward, rock and heel and step, pivot, behind, side, cross, toe and heel, clap and. Now to dance, I'll now go through it with the counts. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. And I'll just warn you in advance, the music is a little bit faster. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, brush, forward, rock, a half shuffle. Step, lock, step, brush, forward, rock, turn chasse, cross, side, sailor, heel and cross, side, sailor, heel and cross, turn, half shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward, rock and forward, rock and step, pivot, behind, side, cross, toe and heel, clap and step, look, step, brush, forward, rock, a half shuffle. Step, look, brush, forward, rock, turn, chasse, cross, side, sailor, heel and cross, side, sailor, heel and cross, turn, half shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward, rock and forward, rock and heel and step, pivot, behind side cross, toe and heel, clap and step, look, brush, forward, rock, half shuffle, step, look, brush, forward, rock, turn, chasse, cross, side, sailor, heel and cross, side, sailor, heel and cross, turn, half shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward, rock and heel and forward, rock and heel and step, pivot, behind side cross, toe and heel, clap and. So that's your dance. Hopefully you managed to keep up with that. Now there is one step change and restart in this dance. It comes on wall 3 after 14 counts. So instead of doing your quarter turn into your chasse, you actually just do a coaster step and then you restart. So wall 3 is our 6 o'clock wall. Take you up to 14 counts, add on that coaster step and restart the dance. Step locks on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, brush, forward, rock, half shuffle. Step, lock, brush, forward, rock, coaster, step, restart, step, lock, brush, forward, rock, half shuffle. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. So 14 counts, wall 3, change your quarter turn chasse to a coaster step and restart. So that is it, that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to bow music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Step, lock, brush, forward, rock, half shuffle. Step, brush, forward, rock, turn, chasse, cross, side, sailor, heel, cross, side, sailor, heel, cross, turn, half shuffle. Step, pivot, left shuffle, forward, rock, and heel, forward, rock, heel, and step, pivot, behind side cross, toe and heel. Step, lock, forward, rock, half shuffle. Step, lock, forward, rock, turn, chasse, cross, side, sailor, heel, cross, side, sailor, heel, cross, turn, half shuffle. Step, pivot, left shuffle, forward, rock, heel, forward, rock, heel, step, pivot, behind side cross, toe and heel, and step, lock, step change wall. Step, lock, forward rock coaster, restart. Step, lock, step locks, cross side, cross turn, forward rock, step pivot, step lock, cross side, cross turn, forward rock, pivot,
journey's never over.
Hope you managed that one.